In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Family View in Steam. Family View is a built-in way to limit what's visible and accessible in your Steam account, so younger players or guests only see the content and features you are comfortable with. I'll guide you through the setup and share a few tips so you feel confident about the choices you make. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you are signed in to the account you want to manage. From the top left corner, click the Steam menu and choose Settings. This is where all of your account and client preferences live, including parental controls. In the Settings window, select the Family tab on the left. Here you'll see options related to Family View. Go ahead and click Manage in the Family View section to launch the Setup Wizard. This wizard will walk you through a short series of screens to define exactly what's allowed. You'll start by choosing the content you want visible when Family View is on. You can allow the entire game library or handpick specific titles. If you are setting this up for a child, choosing specific games is often best. Think about game ratings, online features, and whether a title includes user-generated content. You can come back and adjust this later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first pass. Next, decide which features to restrict. You can block access to the Steam store, so no new purchases can be made. Hide community content like user reviews, discussions, and workshop items, and disable friends chat to keep communication limited. Consider the maturity of the person using the account and whether they need social features. Many families start with stricter settings and gradually relax them over time. Steam will then ask you to create a 4-digit PIN. This PIN is required to exit Family View and return the account to full access. Pick a code that's easy for you to remember but not easy to guess. Avoid obvious combinations like repeating numbers or birthdays. And keep this PIN private. Finally, add a recovery email. This is a safety net in case the PIN is forgotten. Use an email you can reliably access, and remember that Steam will use it to help you regain control without losing your settings. You won't need to enter any personal details in this video. Just make sure the address you choose is secure. That's it. Thanks for watching.